The JMMD 7-1 Folding Baby Tricycle is designed to adapt to the growing needs of children from 18 months to 5 years old, offering multiple configurations for learning and fun. This versatile tricycle can be quickly folded, making it convenient for travel and storage, allowing parents to easily transport it in a car trunk. Constructed with a durable metal frame, the tricycle supports up to 56 pounds and features high-quality, inflatable-free rubber wheels suitable for various terrains. Safety is a priority with the inclusion of a 4-point harness and a removable guardrail, along with a comfortable, washable seat cushion for a pleasant ride. Parents will appreciate the ample storage options, including a back storage bag, front basket, phone pocket, and cup holder, perfect for carrying essentials while on the go. JMMD provides excellent customer support, ensuring satisfaction with their after-sales program should any questions or issues arise.